Hello everybody. So today I wanted to explain some common problems people have. Or it's not a problem, but it's a tool that'll help you in everyday life. So let's say you have a problem like 38 times 25. How do you solve this? Well, the classic way is to go 25 times 38, and then you do like 8 times 5, 8 times 2, and then you write that, and blah blah blah, and then you do all the stuff, and that's just too much time confusing. So a quick way is to do, it's called the rainbow method. So it's called the rainbow method. And in this method, first, let's use this color. You use the ones place first. So you go ones place, and then you do that. So 8 times 5 is 40. So you write the 0, carry the 4 in your hand. So let's just say I'll write the 4 here. And then you do the insides and then the outsides. So first you do the insides right here, then you do the outsides. So the insides would be 8 times 2. So 8 times 2 equals 16. And then when you do the outsides, it's 3 times 5 equals 15. Right? So 3 times 5 equals 15. 8 times 2 equals 16. Then you add them. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 31. 31 plus this number right here. 31 plus 4 equals 35. So you write the 5 here, right there, and you carry the 3. Now this time, you just do the outsides. So first we do the first we did the ones, then we did both of them. So the insides and the outsides. This time we're doing the outsides, so the tens place. So let's just write that 3 here. And so you do 3 times 2, it's 6. So 2 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. And that is your answer. There, so your answer would be 950. Now, I'll tell you another way, but this only adds up to, or this only works in if you have any number times 25. So you take any number, so let's say, any number, and it's 25. So let's take 85, for example. So 85 times 25. The first method is to do it using the rainbow method. The first method is the rainbow method. The rainbow method. We just learned this. But the next one is called the 25s trick. So the 25s trick is, if you have a number that's times 25, you take the other number, which is this one right here, and you divide it by 4. So what is 85? 85 divided by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. So write 8, subtract 0, 5, 4 times 1 is 1. So you write 4, and remainder 1. So remainder 1. So your answer would be 21, 25. And I'll tell you why. So if you have a remainder of 0, then you just write 2 zeros at the end with your quotient on the front. If you have 1 remainder, then you write a 25 at the end with your quotient at the front, like we did here. We had 1 remainder, we wrote the quotient here, so 21, and we wrote 25 at the end. If you have 2, then you write 50 at the end. And if you have 3, you write 75. And if you have 4, then that means you can go in more. So yeah. So this table is the one you have to remember. And everything else is pretty easy. So if I pull up a calculator here, so our problem was 85 times 25. So 85 times 25 equals 2125. And what did we get? 2125. Now, I will give you guys some practice problems, and then we can go through it again together. So, I'll give you 2 practice problems. 21 times 25 and 50 times 25. Try these, and feel free to pause the video. Try these and see what answer you get. So, I'm assuming that you calculated them, or you didn't, but it's fine. We can go through together. Okay, first step. This is multiplied by 25, so then we can use this number right here, and divide it by 4. So 20 divided by 4, or not 20, 21 divided by 4 is 5 remainder 1. Right? 4 times 5 is 20, remainder 1. So the answer would be 5, and remainder is 1. And remember that table? That table. If you have 0 remainders, you write 2 zeros. If you have 1 remainder, you write 25. If you have 2 zeros, you write 50. If you write 3 0, if you have 3 remainders, you write 75. Okay. So we have it right here, and we have 1 remainder. So 1 remainder. So we write 25 at the end. So that is our answer. Now we can check that using a calculator. 21 times 25 equals 525. And what did we get? 525. Nice. Okay, now let's go on to this one right here. So 50 times 25. 50 times 25. So, as usual, we go 50 divided by 4 is, 4 times 10 is 40. 12 times 4 is 48. So, as usual, you go 12. 12 times 4 is 48. And you have a remainder of 2. And using our table here, we know that at the end we're supposed to put a 50. So we write 12 right here, and we write a 50 from right here. So our answer should be 1250. So 50 times 25 is 1250. Yeah. So this trick works on anything multiplied by 25, and we can go over the rainbow method that we learned. So I'm gonna give you guys some problems. We can do 24 times 26. We can do that. And number 2, we can do 46 times 50. Now, feel free to pause the video again And yeah. So I'm assuming that you solved it again. And so what's the first step? First step is multiplying the ones place. So ones place, 4 times 6 is 24. So you write a 4 here, carry the 2, write the 2 on the side. And then you do the insides first, the insides, and then the outsides. So 4 times 2 and 6 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 8 equals 20. 20 plus this 2 right over here is 22. So plus 2 equals 22. So you write the 2 here, carry the other 2 in your mind. So you write the 2 again. And then you do the outsides. The outsides, 2 times 2 is 4. Write the 4. And then you don't write the 4 actually. You carry the 2. Don't forget to do the carry. And that should be 6. So your final answer is supposed to be 6, 2, 4. Right here. We can check that using a calculator. 24 times 26. So 24 times 26 is 624. Okay, nice. Now let's go to the second problem. Again, ones place. Let's see here. 6 times 0 is, of course, 0. So you don't need to write any carry over here. Now, do the insides and then the outsides. 6 times 5 equals 30. And then 4 times 0 equals 0. So you have 30. So you write the 0, carry the 3. 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 5 equals 20 plus the 3 that's over here. And you get 23. Nice. So our answer should be 2300. So 46 times 50, 46 times 50, 2300. And with that, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye.